Hey, I'm Vayan, and I have been an entrepreneur for over 20 years. And I built a dozen businesses across multiple continents. This is why my videos are in English, French, and Spanish. If you're a small business owner, you know the reality. You're the manager, the accountant, the marketing team, the paralegal, and the strategist, all rolled into one. Money is tight, time is tighter. And having a personal life, that feels like a luxury you can't afford. I've been there, but over the past year, I've been implementing AI tools across my businesses, and it has completely changed the game. I'm cutting costs, my team is more productive, and for the first time in years, I actually have time to think about strategy and creative ideas instead of drowning in day-to-day tasks. So I started this video series to show you, not theory, not hype, but exactly what I did, step by step, with real tools and real results for my own businesses. Because if I can do it, you can too.
Every month end, I used to disappear for 3 days. Not physically, I was still at my desk, technically, but mentally, I was somewhere in a fog of spreadsheets, bank exports, booking reports, and a stubborn question that never seemed to have a clean answer. Where does the money actually stand? I run businesses across 2 countries, a boutique hotel in Costa Rica, a US real estate portfolio, a software company, and every single one of them produces financial data in different currencies, formats, and platforms that I had to somehow stitch together into one coherent picture. I did that manually for years. Then I built an AI system that does it for me. And in the next few minutes, I'm going to tell you exactly what changed and exactly how I built it. Let me describe a real scenario from my life. It's the first of the month. I have a hotel in Costa Rica, Jane's Beach Resort. It takes bookings in US dollars through Airbnb and Booking.com, but pays its staff and vendors in Costa Rican colones. It's a constant translation game. I have US real estate investments running through LLCs, each with their own bank account, their own accounting records, and their own depreciation schedules. The data lives in silos. Jane's Beach Resort runs on Logify, which doesn't talk to my accounting software. Every month, I was manually exporting CSV files and cleaning them up. This is invisible friction. It doesn't show up as a crisis, it shows up as uncertainty. When you don't trust your numbers, you can't make good decisions. So that was the before picture. Let me tell you what changed when I built an AI system specifically designed for my business. The first benefit is this. I now have one complete financial picture of everything, instantly. Not a summary, but the actual numbers, reconciled every morning. I can look at a single screen and see what the hotel booked, outstanding invoices in Costa Rica, and the cash position in each of my US LLCs. The mental relief is huge. Reconciliation used to be my nightmare. Now it runs while I sleep. Every night the system pulls data, matches bookings to deposits, and flags only the exceptions. In the morning, I don't get a 3-day project. I get a list of exceptions. I review them in 15 minutes and I'm done. My month-end close is now just 2 hours of review. The multi-currency problem is solved at the data layer. Every transaction is tagged with the actual exchange rate on that day. I can see currency exposure before it becomes a surprise. But this surprised me most. I can ask my AI system financial questions in plain language and get an answer in 30 seconds. No more waiting for reports. I'm having strategic financial conversations with my business while I drink my morning coffee. I'm not an accountant anymore. I'm back to being an entrepreneur. So how does it actually work? Let me walk you through the architecture at a level that's useful whether you're technical or not. The first step is the data layer. The system ingests Logify reports, bank exports, PDF invoices, and real estate records, normalizing them into one common structure. Once the data is in, Pat takes over. Pat is my personal AI system, built on Claude, running on a Mac Mini in my office. It's completely private and very intelligent. Every night, Pat runs reconciliation and updates metrics. By 7:30 a.m., I have a structured analysis on my phone. What changed, what needs attention, and what's on track. Privacy is the foundation. Everything runs on hardware I own. No financial data goes to the cloud. And the cost? A fraction of a fractional CFO or bookkeeper. If you're managing more than one business or currency, this problem is real. It gets better when you build an intelligent layer that works while you sleep. I'm offering a free 30-minute call. I'll listen to your setup and tell you honestly if a system like this makes sense for you. No pitch, no pressure. I'm Valiant, and this is what's possible when your financial data works for you. Book a call at the link in the description. Let's talk. If you're a small business owner thinking about AI, I hope this shows you it's not as daunting as it seems. But I also hope it shows you it's not magic. It's work, it's iteration, and it's worth it. Start with one problem, solve it, then solve the next. That's a real tool running in my real business, saving me real time and money every single day. If this gave you even one idea you can use, hit that like button. It helps other small business owners find these videos. And if you want to see the next tool I'm going to break down, subscribe and I'll see you in the next one. Now go build something great.